Hey there, wonderful English learners. I'm Niharika, and welcome back to your English shadowing practice. We are now on day 4 of your 5-day speaking challenge. Can you believe it? How's it been going so far? I hope you're enjoying it, because I know you're making fantastic progress, even if it doesn't always feel that way. That's completely normal. Every single time you show up, listen, repeat, and try again, you're improving quietly, deeply, and steadily. One day soon, you look back and think, wow, I really can speak English confidently. You're doing amazing, and I'm genuinely proud of you. And remember, if you've faced any tough moments or challenges, you're definitely not alone. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and I'll be right here to support you through every step of this journey. Now, are you ready for today's session? Great! But before we dive in, I want you to promise me one thing: don't give up. Not now. You've come so far already. Just 2 more days and you'll complete this challenge, and trust me, that sense of accomplishment will be incredible. Deal? Perfect. All right, let's get started. The instructions are simple. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and pause the video whenever you need extra time. Today, we'll go through 10 sentences, slowly and clearly, one step at a time. I'll repeat each sentence 3 times, and you can follow along with the words on your screen. The highlighted words are there to help you focus and sound more natural. If I'm speaking too fast or something feels unclear, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to revisit days 1, 2, and 3 of this challenge, since each day builds on the last. You'll find the links in the description for easy access. So, get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's begin. This is your moment. No pressure, no rush. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the journey of improving your English together with me. You're doing something truly incredible for yourself. Ready to begin? Let's do this. First, listen carefully, then repeat after me. I'm not just learning English, I'm shaping my future. Say it again. I'm not just learning English. I'm shaping my future. One more time, with confidence. I'm not just learning English. I'm shaping my future. Fantastic. Now, let's move on to the next sentence. Every time I speak, I let go of a little bit of fear. Repeat it after me. Every time I speak, I let go of a little bit of fear. Once more, every time I speak, I let go of a little bit of fear. Beautiful. Next up, fluency isn't a destination, it's a journey I choose every single day. Say it again. Fluency isn't a destination. It's a journey I choose every single day. One more time. Fluency isn't a destination. It's a journey I choose every single day. Now repeat this one. I'm proud of my effort, even if no one notices it yet. Say it twice more. I'm proud of my effort, even if no one notices it yet. Wonderful. Here's another powerful reminder: my voice matters, even when it trembles. Say it again, with strength. My voice matters, even when it trembles. One more time. My voice matters, even when it trembles. Now let's go further. Mistakes mean I'm growing and stretching my limits. Repeat it with me. Mistakes mean I'm growing and stretching my limits. One last time. Mistakes mean I'm growing and stretching my limits. Excellent. Ready for the final set? Here we go. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks with confidence. Say it again. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks with confidence. One more time. I'm becoming the kind of person who speaks with confidence. Next sentence, each small effort today builds my big dream for tomorrow. Repeat after me. Each small effort today builds my big dream for tomorrow. Once more, each small effort today builds my big dream for tomorrow. Now say, I keep showing up, and that's my real victory. Again, I keep showing up, and that's my real victory. One more time, I keep showing up, and that's my real victory. And for the final line, speaking English is becoming easier every single day. Repeat it again. Speaking English is becoming easier every single day. One last time. Speaking English is becoming easier every single day. Amazing work today. You did it. 10 powerful, confidence-boosting sentences completed in your shadowing practice. Keep this energy going, because every repetition is taking you one step closer to your fluent, confident self. Did you enjoy today's challenge? I truly hope you did, because I absolutely loved practicing alongside you. Every session we spend together is a step forward, a small but powerful moment in your journey toward English fluency. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's not about speaking flawlessly or getting every single word right. It's about showing up, giving it your best, and using your voice with courage and consistency, even if only for a few minutes a day. That's what real progress looks like. You've officially completed day 4 of your 5-day English shadowing challenge, and that's a big deal. Seriously, take a second and appreciate yourself for the effort you've put in. You're not just practicing English, you're building a habit, shaping confidence, and training your mind to think and speak in a new language. Every repetition, every sentence, every little try again moment matters more than you realize. Now, it's completely normal to feel stuck, tired, or even frustrated sometimes. We all go through that. When those moments come, I want you to remember this: progress doesn't disappear just because it feels slow. Growth is happening quietly, in the background, every time you listen, repeat, and practice. So if you ever feel unsure or demotivated, just come back to this video. It's always here for you, a safe, encouraging space to restart, refresh, and remind yourself how far you've come. As we move toward day 5, the final day of your challenge, I want you to know how proud I am of you. You've shown dedication, patience, and heart. Most people give up long before they see results, but not you. You've kept going. And that's exactly what makes you different. Tomorrow will be special. It's the day you bring everything together: the rhythm, the pronunciation, the confidence, and the energy you've built over the last few days. When you finish the challenge, take a moment to reflect on how much stronger your English sounds and how much more natural speaking feels. So until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. You have everything it takes to succeed. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, it's about courage, consistency, and connection. You're doing something truly remarkable. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 5, the grand final of your English shadowing challenge. We are in this together, and the best is yet to come.